Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this December 19th. Here it is, one of the busiest travel weekends of the year. Many of you may be going out of town for the weekend and heading to destinations outside of southern Kentucky for the Christmas holiday, which is next week. We've got some interesting weather coming down the pike to tell you about, so pay attention. And if you have travel plans, let us know. We'll try to pinpoint the forecast for you. Here at home, it's a quiet start this morning. Lots of clouds as we're looking live from our AAA Systems Doppler cam here on Russellville Road. You're looking at exit 7 of the Natcher Parkway. Not much going on here, just cloud cover this morning. There could be a passing flurry or maybe a raindrop or two, but it's for the most part we're dry. Doppler Max HD showing all 5 Doppler radar scans showing quiet weather over southern Kentucky. There are the clouds on the satellite view as we expand it out. And you can see the next system taking shape down here in parts of Texas, just south of Dallas, into Houston and Louisiana. All of that moisture eventually is going to move our direction, but it will be in a much weakened state by the time it reaches us very late tonight and early tomorrow morning, and it's going to be more of a southern tracking storm far away from us, which is good news because then we don't have to worry about a lot of precipitation. Now, temperatures, you see a lot of 20s off to the north of us, and then you start to see some 30s, 34 here and in Nashville. Then you see a few 40s and 50s further south where that rain is, right around Shreveport, 50 degrees there, 46 Dallas, Fort Worth. That's where the warmer or milder air is at this hour. Current Kentucky mesonet temperatures are in the, we got at least one upper 20s there at Glasgow. And then everybody else is in the low 30s, right around the freezing mark this morning. No worries with slick spots or any additional precipitation that we had yesterday morning when we had a number of icy roads and bridges. FutureMax predictor showing a fairly quiet day, and again, it's underdoing the amount of cloud cover. I think we're going to see clouds for much of the day. That's not to say a few rays of sun might break through a few times. Here comes our southern tracking system, and overnight, here's what we've got to pay attention to early tomorrow morning. A couple of little spits of drizzle or even a snow flurry. That, with temperatures being below freezing, could cause some icy spots late tonight, early tomorrow morning, right across southern Kentucky. Even though any amounts of precipitation are going to be fairly light, this is going to move on out and be fairly weak by the time it moves through. Saturday morning and through much of Saturday, mix of sun and clouds, and even on into Sunday, things look fairly tranquil around here. In fact, winter officially begins 5:03 p.m. Central Time on Sunday afternoon. What about Christmas Day? Well, the forecast right now calling for highs in the mid-40s, fair and cool, but we could have some interesting weather coming in, say, for Tuesday night into Wednesday, Christmas Eve, as you see here. I'm getting the cart before the horse, but 43 today, 32 tonight, 44 tomorrow, 48 for Sunday, the first day of winter, 52 on Monday. Notice the warm-up with mainly rain, and this will be all rain Monday afternoon, evening. Rain on the day Tuesday at 56. But as colder air comes in, the winds pick up, and we're talking snow showers and 43 for Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, there's your partly to mostly sunny sky and a high of 47. As far as accumulations right now for Christmas Eve, way too soon to say for sure. Anybody that's saying anything different, I wouldn't trust it right now. It's way too soon to say anything for sure. But, all bets are still on the table at this point. Well, that'll do it for this edition of your First Look forecast. God bless as always, and know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com. Have a great weekend.